Get on top of a stool. As you can probably tell, we are back at my apartment. Dom and I just got here. It is the 26th, and we are packing up tonight. It's like 9 o'clock, I think. So we're going to pack up some stuff tonight, and then tomorrow's the official move out day. So we kind of already messed things up a little bit, but I'll show you what the apartment is looking like so far. I mean, if you would have saw my vlog from a while ago when I took down my Christmas tree decorations, you would know that a lot of it's gone, but we just took all of the gallery wall off, and now he's going around taking off the marks. Most of the kitchen is packed up. My closet's pretty packed up, and then the bathroom is basically the same, but I need to go through and pick everything out. This is a few hours later. Most of this is cleared out, but we have an absolute mess. Yeah, that's still a decent amount of stuff, but it's just more like finding a box for it. All of the cabinets are now empty, and Dom went through and cleaned them all out. Oh shoot. Well, I guess I can throw this away because my sister has to change the date anyway, so. She has to change the save the date, so. Anywho, this is what it's looking like now. And it's 10:42, not 11:42. But I think I am going to call it quits and go to bed because I'm so tired. So I'm gonna wake up early and start packing tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys then because, I mean, first things first, order pliables and Starbucks because I am already hungry and like looking forward to that. Yeah. Okay, you can answer it.
Yes. Morning. You did not? No.
Yeah.
That's here.
What's up? What's up, Mom?
Miss, didn't you tell me yesterday that you needed the putty yet for the walls? But Mike's telling me he gave it to you.
Yes, he did.
Okay, alright. Just wanted to make sure you had it.
Yep, we did that last night.
Okay, did you take toilet paper down?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Move Out Day. Get up.
I'm up.
Can you go get Starbucks?
From where?
Starbucks.
Where's that?
I've been running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Clearly, I'm a mess. And I didn't even have a chance to show you the Starbucks that we ordered from like Grubhub or something like that. So I got a venti Irish cream cold brew with 1 pump Irish cream syrup and 1 pump white mocha. So good. And then for later, I got a hot coffee with just 1 pump, or I don't even know. I think I put chestnut praline in it and I didn't adjust the syrup. So I think there's probably like the normal amount, which is 3, because it is very sweet. So I just got that then because I figured I'd want a hot coffee. And excuse me. And right as the guy came to drop everything off, Dom actually was leaving to go pick up some pliables for us. So they don't deliver over here. I thought they did, but Dom went to go pick up pliables. There's really nothing Dom can do right now for me aside from clean, but I first needed to get some things out of the way first before we even started cleaning. So I just cleared out the bathroom. The bathroom is basically completely empty. And then when he comes back, we're gonna eat. My parents should be here around like 10:30 with the U-Haul. They're picking up the U-Haul in Philly. So we're gonna eat, and then, yeah, I mean, everything looks a mess right now, but there basically is a place for everything, and I know it looks a mess, but most of the stuff is actually packed away. So, I mean, I know I showed you guys this morning, but I ended up clearing off a lot of the countertop. It's mostly just all cleaning stuff over here, which I'm still going to need, and half of it I probably won't even put in a box. And then this is all decor stuff that I need to find some sort of box for. I might have to go searching around the building for one. I just cleaned out all of my bathroom products from the shower and put those in the box here. But this shelf is completely empty now, and like I said, the bathroom is basically empty. So this will be like the first thing we clean. And then I have a load of laundry going right now for like from all of my sheets and things like that. This is all stuff that's just gonna get packed away in like some little bags we have, and then all of this stuff is just gonna go in as is. I'll probably wrap the frames in bubble wrap, but everything's looking pretty good. Like I said, all of the cabinets are empty, so, oh, I also have the fridge to do and the freezer. Can't forget about that, but I mean, there's honestly not much, and we'll probably throw some things out, I'm sure so. Dom picked up some pliables. So we have the cocoa something bowl for Dom. Nutella Loco. It has like Nutella on it, and then I get the Pure Vita bowl with peanut butter. So it's just like a typical acai base. Spoons, Perfecto. Oops. Was it difficult finding parking? This is the update. Bathroom is all cleaned out. I just cleaned the entire bathroom, so it's all good to go. Mopped the floors, everything. Now we just have like all of this basically. But all of the big items are out. And all of these boxes need to go too. We just got some Sweetgreen. So we are taking a break for lunch. It is 1:31. So I feel like we're sitting pretty well. We got most of it out. We give you like half a lemon. Right? Lime, sorry. Here, Mom, you could have my bread.
Dressing.
What is it, Caesar?
Yeah, it's Caesar, but it has some sort of citrus fruit.
Lime.
Might be.
They like mix it. Oh, okay.
Vanessa, are there apartments in that big building there, or no, is that just an
I think that's abandoned.
That'd be cool if they ended up putting apartments in there too.
Which one?
Slowly going down. This is the update. I'm going to steam mop half of this floor now. This is all cleaned. And she's empty. This is all we have left. So, final last moments. The apartment that made me who I am today. Nothing like leaving the apartment, you have to shed a few tears. Goodbye, my friend. She's all cleaned. Okay, gotta set the temp for that. Down the blinds go. The end of an era. Really, goodbye to the apartment that treated me so well. 407. Let's see. Nope. All clear. All right. I was asked to share where I actually live. So this is the apartment complex. It's 3101 West Glenwood Ave, Philadelphia, PA. 19121. This is the apartment. Beautiful. There's lots of street parking, all free. There's a new complex going up over here as well by the same owner. There is a parking lot that you could park in. There's a little like thrift vintage store here as well. Pretty cool place. Nice knowing you. Wow. I'm looking so good. Guys, all I have to say, it's been a rough past 24 hours, but I am back home. We have traveled all over the creation within the past 24 hours. Moving went well. Let's see. Yesterday we left to go down to Philly, and we got there probably around 8 or so. I don't know. I woke up really early this morning, and once I got up and started packing, it was just ongoing from there on out. So it went really well though, and then we got back to my house around 6, and because Dom didn't drive here, then after we came back to my house first and then had to put stuff into storage. Luckily my parents own storage, so we were able to do that very easily, but we had to do that and then come back to the house, unload everything that was staying here, which is actually a pretty large majority. And then I drove Dom all the way to Jim Thorpe, which is like 40 minutes away, and then just drove home. So it is now 9:22. I am home. I'm looking rough and tired. We are all dead. Thank God for my parents and Dom. They are seriously, like, I cannot thank them enough for helping throughout this entire move, because it was a long day. Anyway, if you did not hear me say my address, some of you were asking where I lived, and the apartment is actually called the Pyramid Loft Studio Apartments or something along those lines, like Pyramid Lofts basically, and the address is 3101 West Glenwood Ave. So I was on the 4th floor. There's 6 floors. There's a gym, like kind of like a mini gym. It's a pretty cool place. I don't know what else to say. They have studios and I think 2-bed apartments. I don't think they have 1-bed apartments. Also, I did not say this, but I paid, everyone in my building was so nice, and we all like communicated. So everyone honestly like pays something different, and all depends on when you move in. But when I moved in back in June, I negotiated my apartment for $12.50 per month. So my rent was $12.50 per month, but there's an additional $25 for a water fee every month. So basically altogether, plus more utilities, it was $12.75 and then some. So that was my rent. I am very open about that, and like I think I even mentioned that in my like searching for an apartment video way back when. So it's been a journey ever since I moved into that apartment, and I feel like that apartment kind of shaped me into who I am now, for sure. Living alone really helped me learn a lot, and if I were to recommend to anyone, if you can, or if you're thinking about it, I would highly suggest living alone at some point in your life, because it is a huge learning experience. Of course, if you think you can do that, because I'm sure not everyone can do that, but if you think you can, or if you've been thinking about it, I highly recommend trying it out for at least a little bit, because like this is the time in your life to do so. And like I've mentioned before, I think that would have been the only time for me to really live on my own, because after that, then Dom and I will most likely live together for the rest of our lives. So I think like I'm very happy that I got the opportunity to do that, even if it was only for 6 months. It just worked out perfect, and right now, I just really, there's no need for me to be in Philly, like I've said before. I'll save so much more. I've literally already saved so much money throughout the month of December so far. There's just absolutely no reason for me to spend money on rent right now, and why not live at home for a little bit, save that money, and I spend time with my parents, which, like, as you obviously get older, you really don't get to do. So thankfully I have the flexibility to do this since I am self-employed basically, so I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, I'm sure there will be a lot more vlogs to come with like decorating and like my studio. My mom, she's a doll, she finished painting my sister's bedroom, so that will be coming along, and I'm very excited to bring you guys along with for that whole process of like decorating and like, I don't know, transforming that room, which will be cool, and kind of transforming this room a little bit too. So stay tuned for that, but I will talk to you guys in the next video. I hope you had a great new year, because this will be posted after the new year. And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.